he's not someone he should be around. Donald Trump Jr. warned about younger girlfriends talk past as President reportedly believes relationship is a liability. Donald Trump Jr. has his family worried about his new lady friend following his split with longtime fiancée Kimberly Guilfoyle. The 47 years old is dating 38 years old model and socialistic Bettina Anderson, but not everyone is celebrating the pair's new romance. The tabloid report claims several friends of the Trump family are very concerned about the relationship due to Anderson's reputation. Apparently, Anderson, who comes from an old banking family, has a history of being a hard partier and someone who is known to date wealthy men in Florida. One source identified only as a friend of Trump family told Mediate, I told him that she is not someone he should be around and let him know about her past. Another said individuals close to the president have expressed growing concerns about potential liability posed by his son's new relationship with Donald Trump. Being aware of Anderson's way, the president elect is apparently not too fond of the woman his son has been engaging with either. Another unnamed friend of the family told media Donald Trump does not approve of his son's association with Bettina. Bettina's presence is seen as a liability rather than asset. All of the abroad from close friends surrounding Trump Jr. and Anderson's new romance, there have been discussion about keeping Anderson's away from Trump's inauguration on January 20. Many believers believe her appearance at the political events would bring more attention to the relationship. The idea that he might have the audacity to bring a casual partner on stage at the inauguration has been described as a potential misstep that could etch this relationship and its questionable nature into the history books. Yet another supposed family friend told the outlet. One person said, why would he need to bring a date to his father's inauguration in the first place? It is the solemn political event, not a high school prom. Another wrote, so everyone thinks that she might be after GR's money. Is not that the reason that Melina married Trump about Anderson? Two others said GR's taste in women has not improved much and she looks a lot less. She looks a lot less trashy than Kimbo, perhaps. That's the problem. Coming to his defense, one supporter said, I am going to assume that she has certain talents that Don Jr. finds appealing. Trump Jr. and Anderson were reportedly spotted holding hands on December 10 in Palm Beach amid rumors that he and Guilfoyle were splitting. That was the same day that his father, who was elected to serve a second term as President of the United States, appointed Guilfoyle to be the USA ambassador to Greece. Guilfoyle and Trump Jr. were dating for 6 years before calling off their engagement. Despite it not working out between the two, Trump Jr. was very sportive when his father appointed his ex to her new position. He told Page 6 on December 13, Kimberly and I will never stop caring for each other and will always keep a special bond. I could not be more proud of her and the important role she will continue to play in my father's administration. Please subscribe my channel and like share my video.